Hi, this is the REALME C53 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we'll create successfully the new home screen folders. If you wanna rename this folder, you should just tap on the name once and enter the new one, for example the apps. So if you want to move folder on the screen or between the screens, just hold it and drag it by this way. To remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen to stay with the app on the home screen. To remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, you could remove all of the applications with a folder together. Just hold and drag it to remove icon. So don't worry, you will stay with all of these applications here in the apps menu. You'll remove it only from your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.